Hi, this is Paul from Intella Parts Company. Today we're going to be looking at Raymond serial numbers and how to identify the year of your Raymond. Raymond years are usually pretty easy to identify with the serial number, unless you have an older Raymond. So starting in 1977, Raymond went to their current situation that they have for serial numbers, where it's a 3-number dash 2-number dash 5-number. So for the example here, we have serial number 020 dash 77 dash 11818. Now on this serial number, the 020, that is your model identifier. It basically tells you what type of model Raymond you have. Then we look at the next two numbers. And keep in mind, this is from 1977 to present day. These two numbers are going to be the year of your forklift. And this particular one is a 77, so it is a 1977 model year. After that, we have a dash 11818, and that is the production sequence of that forklift. Makes it pretty simple. Now, if you have an older Raymond prior to 1977, it's a little bit harder because they have a different serial number sequence, and the years are going to be based on the production number. So if you can get that, we do have ways of looking up for these older Raymonds. So just give us a call or send us an email, and we can identify what year your Raymond is. We don't normally see a ton of these old Raymonds still out there, but they do exist. So if you got one, we should be able to tell you what year it is. I'm Paul from Intella Parts Company, and I will see you in the next video.